All right, so here we have the new book from Black History Arts in shops right now. Also on online, also on Audible. That's the front cover. Look at the back. Each picture tells a story, and each picture you're going to find inside the book. And we're looking at a variety of topics over thousands of years. If you check out the contents, which is right here, find the right page now, you will see that it's going through lots and lots of, come on man, here we go. Lots of different topics. So we're talking about architecture. We have a UK versus USA comparison when it comes to civil rights. You're looking at railway transportation, the NHS. You're looking at tax havens and tax dodgers. You're looking at gentrification and art on stage, singing, dancing, etc. But also, you're talking about World War One, World War Two. You're looking at reparations, and there's a very unique section on Black film exhibition, which is something you don't normally come across in book form anyway. And then, of course, if you look inside the book, you got a bunch of pictures of different situations and people, from Barbados to Grenada to South Africa to Lambeth to North London. It's all in this book, which is out in shops right now. That's it.